Hello and welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's tutorial, we will broaden our knowledge to work with VIM text editor. In the first video, we'll learn to move within a file, and in this one we will see how to add, modify, or delete content. So if this is the first time that you face this editor, we recommend you to first watch that tutorial found in our Pandora FMS channel. We will start by seeing those shortcuts or keys that will allow us to insert text into our file. The first two we will use will be lowercase I and A. I will enable the option to add text right between where the cursor is and the preceding letter. On the other hand, with A, you will see how the cursor moves one position forward and the text begins to be added, as in the previous case, between the position where the cursor is and the previous letter. These same letters can be used in capital letters to insert text. With uppercase I, the cursor will go to the beginning of the line, and with uppercase A, it will go to the end. In both cases, directly enable the writing option. Next, we're going to work with lowercase and uppercase O. In the case of lowercase, it adds a new line immediately below the one we're in and moves the cursor to that line. If you choose capital letters, the new line will appear above the line you're in, and the cursor will also go up to that position. Now we will see what we use lowercase s for. When working with this lowercase letter, the character that the cursor is on will be deleted, and you may add the text you want. However, if we use uppercase S, all the content of the line we're on will be deleted, allowing you to start writing whatever you want. These are the options that this text editor classifies as insert and that you can see at the bottom of your screen every time you click on any of the letters that we have used so far. We will continue to see the possibility of replacement. For that, we're going to use lowercase r. If we use lowercase r, we can replace the content of the letter on which the cursor is by the value of the key we press. That is, if we are in the following location, we press lowercase r and then the letter lowercase f, we will see it is replaced by it. If we do the same operation and enter 4, that number will appear. This can be useful to change a character that we misspell. But if what we want is to change more content, it will be more efficient to use the shortcut uppercase R. This will enable the replacement of all the text we modify until we exit this mode, as we are seeing on screen. When what we want is to delete content, we can resort to several options. The simplest is using lowercase x. If we use lowercase x, the content in front of the cursor will be deleted one by one each time we press it, as if we were using the delete key. On the other hand, if we use capital letters, the content will be deleted in the opposite direction. From now on, we're going to see how to delete content with the use of the letter D and its different combinations with other letters or characters. We will start by combining lowercase d with lowercase w. This shortcut allows to delete the content of the text found from the position where the cursor is and the beginning of the next word, including the spaces in between. If we replace lowercase w by lowercase e, we will be able to delete the content from the point where the cursor is to the end of the word where we are. If we use it to delete consecutive blank spaces, as many as there are except the last one will be deleted. With lowercase db, the content will be deleted from the cursor position to the beginning of the previous word. Next, we will combine letter lowercase d with the keys that we used to move around and that we saw in the previous tutorial. With lowercase h, we will delete a position to the left from the cursor location. Lowercase l allows us to do the same with a character where the cursor is. Lowercase j suppresses the line we're on and the one immediately below it completely, no matter where the cursor is on the line. We will achieve a similar result with lowercase k, but instead of deleting the line below it, it will delete the line above. By typing lowercase d and the dollar symbol, we will delete the content of the line we're on, starting from the point where the cursor is. If this is located at the beginning of the line, it will delete all content but keep the line. We're going to finish this video by using the combination of the letter lowercase d with lowercase d itself. That way we will erase the content and the line where the cursor is located, regardless of what it is. Most of these shortcuts include the possibility of incorporating between lowercase d and the next letter a number that will multiply the effect of that combination. That is, lowercase d to lowercase h removes 2 positions to the left of the cursor. Lowercase d 3 lowercase w will do the same, removing 3 words. Lowercase d 5 lowercase d will delete 5 lines, and so on. And that was it for today's video. Do not forget it, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, you may contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you on social media and in future learning videos.